Hello and welcome to this section number 2, Mathematics for Machine Learning. In this video, we're going to talk about the functions in mathematics, which will be in the module 2 in section number 2. So, without wasting our time, let's get into it. However, I'm not going to give you in-depth intuition about what is a function, etc. and about the function, but I'm going to give an overview about what is a function. So, without wasting time, let's get into it. So we have a max function in Python programming languages, a built-in function, or we can make a user-defined function, but max is a built-in function present in the Python programming languages. So here, max function takes two inputs a and b, and it does some actions with a and b, and it returns a or either b, whoever is greater in that. Just like this, we have a function concept in mathematics. So let's see some of the examples of that. So let me take the pen here, and yeah. So let's take an example that f here. F is the name of a function, and it takes x as an input, and it returns the x squared, which is y. Now, when we give input to an f function, we're going to get 2 squared, which is a 4. Just like this. This is the name of the function. This is the f is the name of the function, and we have 2 here is input, and here we have y, which is 2 squared, and returns the 4, which is y. Just like this, f of x takes input, and it does some actions in that, and it returns the valued output, which is y. Now we can think of it as a g of x. It returns x to 2x, let's say 2x. So here we can input 2 here, and it returns 2 times 2, which is 4. It means that it takes input 2, it does some actions, means 2 times 2, and returns y, which is 4. Now I think that you got a better intuition about what is a function and the function criteria. So why are we studying these functions? So when we study about linear regression or more ML algorithms, this will get more handy. So I thought that teaching about the functions is better for you understanding in future. So in the next video, we're going to talk about the sigma notation or a summation notation, which will be also the part of section number 2, which is mathematics for machine learning. So thank you for seeing this video, and make sure that you subscribe this channel and hit that like button and press the notification bell so that you never miss my videos. So thank you for seeing this video. Meet you in the next video.